Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And for this video, we're going to open our first consolidated shipping from Buy and Ship for 2024. Let's go! Okay, so it finally arrived, our first consolidated shipping from our trusty Buy and Ship. So we were supposed to have more items in this particular consolidation, but unfortunately the eBay items was delayed. So I decided to at least ship what's already in the Hong Kong warehouse to my place. Okay, I decided because some of the individuals, Jibilol and Gojira, shout out, are asking about their pasabais, and hopefully those pasabais are in this package. Okay, so I only expect a couple of items here, a couple of pasabais, and of course a personal dibs. And we have boom boom boom. Okay, we have two white Scott Porters. Okay, one for Gojira and one for Jibilol. They're pasabais, so it's already here. And for me, I have this one. You can already see the Wolverine chase from Wheels of Vengeance. Okay, so I am a huge Wolverine collector, and I've decided I have no luck in the big brick breaks for this set, so I decided to purchase Wolverine Akira slide. So let's take a look quickly at Wolverine because we already know what Scott Porter does. So Wolverine is set number 54, Alpha Flight, Weapon X, X-Force, X-Men, Animal, Martial Artist, Soldier, and Vehicle keywords. So X-Men would be the main thing here, and also Alpha Flight because there's a lot of Alpha Flight in Wheels of Vengeance. Pilot, Wolverine, Alpha Flight, X-Men. Basically, this will be you may choose a single base character on your sideline named Wolverine or that has the Alpha Flight or X-Men keywords and turn it to any click. Wolverine can use the standard attack and damage powers displayed on that character's dial. When this character is KO'd, before removing him from the map, generate the chosen character from your sideline on its starting last non-KO click. This game, that character can be healed or replaced, and it isn't scored when KO'd. So protected pulse wave. 90 or 65 points. You can see the long dial. I'll probably use him at 95 points. Why not? Okay. He has a second trait. Played with fire. When Wolverine moves after resolutions, he may choose up to 2 non-debris terrain markers adjacent to any squares he moved through and place them adjacent to himself. That's powerful, especially if you want to reposition terrains. Okay. And special movement power. I hope you have good insurance, Bob. Hypersonic speed because of the motor. When Wolverine uses it and hits after resolutions and until your next turn, hit targets modify speed -3 and can't use speed powers. That is amazing. And special damage power, Battle Fury, exploit weakness. So he cannot be carried on the latter part, I guess, because of that Battle Fury. But having exploit is always good. Real name is James Howlett. Wolverine 73, 2009 is the significant appearance. But we all know why we got this figure, because of the amazing sculpt and pose. Okay, the iconic Akira slide. Okay, so that's it for this particular video. Definitely more buy and ship consolidations. If you want to pasabais for my fellow Pinoy Heroclix players, okay, you know how to reach me. But for now, bye-bye!